Welcome to Blueprint Cabinets, quality made affordable and a better way to do your cabinetry. All of our cabinetry features 3/4 inch face frames, doors, and drawer fronts in birch stained or HDF lacquered finishes. Full 5/8 AA grade plywood box construction, beautiful dovetail drawers, solid wood drawer boxes, sturdy metal bracketry, limited lifetime warranty on all moving parts, absolutely no particle board or cam locks. Our cabinet widths are available in 3-inch increments, twice the flexibility of most competitors. Standard heights are 84, 90, and 96 inches, with taller configurations achievable by stacking cabinetry. Ordering overview. Here's everything you need to know when placing an online order. Base cabinets. Available in widths from 6 to 42 inches in 3-inch increments. Standard depths 24 inches deep. Height 34.5 inches tall. 6 and 9-inch cabinets are available as spice pullouts and tray cabinets. Standard base cabinets begin at 12 inches wide. Drawer bases are available from 12 inches to 36 inches wide. Conventional base cabinets are available up to 42 inches wide. Wall cabinets. Our wide range of wall cabinets allows for complete design flexibility. Heights at 30, 36, and 42 inches tall. Additional heights are available 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24 for above fridges, ranges, or built-ins. Specialty options including wine racks, angled end cabinets, and floating shelves are also available. Pantry cabinets. Widths range from 15 inches to 33 inches wide. All pantry cabinets include finished side panels. Standard units come with 3 full extension soft close pullouts. Microwave and wall oven pantry configurations are also available. Panels, ends, and sides. For finished gable panels, we provide tons of flexibility. We offer 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch finished panels, as well as 1.5 inch fridge panels and 3-inch dishwasher return panels. When finishing the side of your cabinetry, you can opt to either replace the unfinished side with a 5/8 inch finished panel, or you can simply install a 1/4 inch skin panel. Either works great, only depending on how you choose to finish. Dress it up with a decorative door and make it even better. Moldings, trims, posts, and fillers. A wide variety of trim options to complete your design. Fillers are available in 3 inches and 6-inch widths, in lengths from 30 inches long to 96 inches long. Long fillers can also be used as riser boards. When it comes to crowning things out, options are abundant, with 6 different face-mounted crown options and 1 top-mount crown option. Additional options include outside corner moldings, scribe molding, chair rails, and multiple furniture baseboard styles. Vanities. Sizes range from 24 to 60 inches wide. 60-inch vanities are available in both single and double sink configurations. All vanities include finished toe kicks and finished side gable panels. You can create your own custom vanity by mixing in any of our 21-inch deep drawer bases, available in widths 12, 15, 18, and 21 inches wide. All vanities are 34.5 inches tall. Pantry cabinets are often installed as full-depth linen towers. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our quality-made affordable Blueprint cabinetry. Should you have any questions about your order or design, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help.